Alright, today we're going to install the IMS Adventure 2 pegs. I have in front of you the stock OEM peg from BMW, and this is going to be the Adventure 2. Right off the bat, doing a size comparison, it's quite a big difference between the OEM and the IMS Adventure 2s. So experience-wise, I've got roughly 25,000 miles on the Adventure 2s already. I took these off of my 2014 GSA. Now I'm putting on my 2018. I love them. I think they're great. Standing up, it makes a world of difference. I can stand up forever with these because the platform is just so much larger. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to install. Okay, so under your peg, you're gonna have this right here. And you're just going to take a little screwdriver, get in behind it, and very gently peel it back. It's going to pop off, don't lose it, and just save it to the side for now. And we'll move on by removing this pin. And to do so, just take a little pressure off the spring and slowly work it out. It'll come right out. So for the next part, we're going to take the new peg, line it up, you're going to take the pin that you took out earlier, you're going to push it in place. If you have a mallet, give it a little bit of light taps. So now that's locked in place there all the way through. We're going to take the key lock that we removed earlier, put that back in. And it's just going to slide right in place. Nothing special to it. Slides in, it locks. And we're done. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Subscribe. If you got any questions, leave some comments below. Until next time.